Hi, I'm Ericter. Welcome to the first video of my series of What's in the Box. Which at the end we're going to be using parts we find around the kitchen and build a PC. Let's get started. Now if my memory serves me correctly, the first thing we're serving up is Instant Pot memory. Let's see what we got. First thing we're going to unbox is some G.Skill DDR4 Trident Z Neo memory. I've got 4 16GB sticks, a total of 64. And let's take a little look. I'm not sponsored by anybody, except for Snickerbrow, who was nice enough to provide this half-drunk 4-pack over here. We'll get more to that later. And inside the box, all that there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's maybe a little bit of paper in here. Let's take a look, see. Oh, we got a sticker. It's gotta have a sticker, you know. RGB and stickers. It smells a little like pulled pork, but that was the last thing that was in the Instant Pot before this. That's pretty much it. It's memory. That's what's in the box. So we will take a look at that more in depth when we do the full build, which will be coming out soon at the end of the unboxing videos. A G.Skill sticker. And that's about all I got for that one. So tune in for the next video. We are going to be opening up a 1TB Sabrent M.3 Generation 4 PCI. I'll try and be even more awkward in that one. Alright, thanks.
Hungry and thirsty? Reach for a Snickerbrow. Never smooth, always opaque. Don't let sunlight penetrate your beer, baby. Snickerbrow. Not every beer is a choking hazard.
No.
Snickerbrow. Oh, it's happening, baby.
Oh!
Snickerbrow. So chocolatey, it's nuts.
Ooh.
Snickerbrow.